Hi, Cynthia Selva is going to teach you how to write a winning ads and find your targeted audience to promote your products to them. Last night in BBC One I watched Dragon Dent program. That was fantastic show. Everyone who want to embark on business should watch this program. What I learned from the program was, if you want to win the heart and cash of the dragons, you have to convince them that if they invest in your business the risk of losing their money will be outweighed by reward they get from your business. This is called potential benefits of investing on you, RIO, return on investment. In other words, what is in it for them to invest in your business? If they believe by investing in your company, they get more return than their initial investment, then they will invest in your business. In the same way, if you want to sell a product to your target market, you should say why they need to buy your product instead of others, in return what benefit your product will give to them for their money. Click the link below to learn how to find where your customers are hanging out and find customer demography and write a winning ad to grab their attention. Click the link below to find a simple step-by-step business system work from virtually anywhere in the world.